Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic forms in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to go to our object manager from the setup menu. So here we need to click on setup and after that we need to go to objects manager. So now we need to access to any object that we want to create a dynamic form for it or for. So after that, we will need just to go to these objects. For example, I'm going for accounts, and from there we can find the lightning record pages. And basically, if there is no pages, you can create a new one. So then it will take us to the lightning app builder, and from there you can have a record page if you would like or anything. So I'm just going to choose new and I'm just going to click on next. You can have label and basically our object is account. So I'm just going to click on next and you can choose any type of layout that you would like. So I'm going for this layout and basically now it will start showing us all the standards or the components and we will find the field. So here we will find the highlight, dynamic highlights panel, and we will find also the dynamic section. So if we type dynamic, we will find this one. So now, and uh, let's choose this insertion point, and from here we will need just to add this field. So basically, I'm just going to add this field section, and in this field, we will have these labels, for example, experiments, details, etc. So here we will find our visibility stuff, etc. We can click on done. You can filter it if you would like. Now we need to start adding for our fields here, and basically we need to have some component visibility. You can add a filter. You can have either a device from actor, factor, or some field. It can be an account name, and if it's equal to, I don't know, SA, and basically you need just to click on done. And basically, whenever this uh, condition is met, you will have your page or your form that will be dynamic and it means it will be only show the ones that meet these requirements and basically those are the dynamic forms. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.